nice little short back and scrape, as they used to call it at school. Okay, here is a system for Charlie. This is my magic box system, and as you'll see, I'm holding camera on the stand with my left hand, and Charlie's template. As you can see, it's the magic box system is slightly bigger, and Zoe will customize that, cut the poly off. It's not ideal, but in emergencies, this is what we have to do. I'll check the contour of the template against the system, and I'm very confident the fit will be a good one. Bit of an emergency, so we've had no choice, but Charlie's going to go out happy. Okay, this is the magic box system that's been cut down. You can see from that's how much we cut away. Like I said, magic box systems aren't stock systems, even though I hear that word in the office. They're bespoke systems from other people's orders that I like, and we cut them down for emergencies, and we've got one in the office at the moment. Okay, so Zoe is applying Ghost Bond Platinum, and you can tell that Zoe's never had a drink in her life.
Steady hands.
Can I have a giggle at least? There we go. So snort. Yeah, you were snorting yesterday because I made you laugh so much. Right. Okay. So probably 2 layers, or was it 3 with Charlie? I'm glad you did that, because the other one was telling me to F off, wasn't it?
If it's 2, 3. Yeah, we'll do 2.
Right.
2, 3.
There we go. And Charlie's always had his hair swept back, but he's made a big strides. He's going to have a style where he can have it swept back on a Friday night when he goes out looking all posh. And when he's on the golf course in the wind, he can have it with the style he came in on.
Swoosh look.
The swoosh. Okay, so stay there, Zoe. So this is part of the cutting. See our fabulous work. And if you want to just keep a look at that, go a bit harder with the. Stop there. That's it. Excellent. And again. Oh. Do you know what? We're quite
beautiful.
We're quite good at this, aren't we? Yeah, we're quite good at this. Right, so Zoe's sectioned off and doing really nice fine layers, as you can see. A few more to go. Looks like you've done this before, Zoe. Just a few times. Look at that.
I've read about it.
Oh, you read about it. This is the first go?
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. Doing great. What do you reckon, Charlie?
It's impressive.
Not let you panic anyway. So Zoe's cutting in 2 styles, so Charlie can have it off his face and wear it like a public schoolboy as well, with the swoosh look. You've never been called you've never been called a public schoolboy.
No, I haven't. No, it's the first for everything.
There we go. Brilliant. Great work. Right, I'm going to just come in for the finale, okay?
Okay.
If you can hear the banging, we've got a serial killer next door, haven't we? Right, okay, so there's a different style that Charlie's going out with. He normally has it swept back, so it's kind of up and kind of down.
Best of both worlds.
Best of both worlds. And I'll just go in here slowly. You can see the skin effect. So there's a bit of a wind coming in, and your hair's looking good. We're getting the light. You can see your parting. That's it. Stop against that wall because the light's good. Go back. Head slightly back, mate. That's it. And there. then come up here to the green. Been filmed like a film star.
Oh, no.
Come up here to the green trees. Go on there, make a run for it. Go against them there. Yeah. Try not to have a toilet. Right, that's it. This is really good. Head slightly back, and then just spin round if you could. Excellent.